fix it. There's a song that says Jesus can, I better not do it. It says Jesus can fix it after a while. Amen. Fix it. Amen. People are weak. People are sick. And they don't realize a lot of this unrest of their consciousness comes from not confessing what needs to be confessed. David was like his strength was wasting away. Amen. Guilty consciences destroy lives. Consciences. Amen. In short, David's health, his peace and joy dried up because he tried to hide what was needed to be confessed. Once he finally opened his mouth to confess, as the next verses show, relief and forgiveness came. Amen. 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 It's the old truth. Silence before men may look strong, but silence before God eats you alive. And I believe I know a person just went through my mind now. I know someone who operated under various spirits as a Christian. And they aggravated people. And I don't know if they had different personalities or what, something happened, but they were always, just when you thought they were on your side and they was with the ministry and they was going to do good and all this was happening and everything, next thing you know, they like a different personality or something. They would just like trip you up and talk about you like a dog and try to kill the ministry and everything, right? Next thing you know. And this is a true story. This person would not confess. And then after they died, then we all found out that, yeah, there was a lot going on there.